What's up, Kia Too Technical? I'm back again with another video, and today the kind people over at IBlason were kind enough to send me out their Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra Armor Box SP case in black. So this is the black variant, the one they sent me out. So this case will currently run you $29.99 plus tax. It comes in 4 different colors. So you get the black, which is the one they sent me out. You get the dark green. You get the metallic blue. And you also will be able to get the metallic red. But like I said, they sent me over the one in black. And this is just some of the pictures to show you what you're going to get. So we're just going to unbox this and try it on the device. I'm going to let you know my thoughts and what I think. Once again, I'm not a big fan of these plastic screen protectors, the plastic screen protectors that they put on the inside, because they do interfere with the glass screen protector that I currently have on my device. And I'm not a big fan of having the fingerprint circle cut out, because that is just a tad bit annoying to me. But let me get this case open and we will place the device in like so. This is a tough case, so I recommend you pull it from these little grooves here. But I'm going to do that off of camera real quick. So just bear with me. Okay, so this is what the front housing would look like. So we're just going to pick up my S25 Ultra, place it in like so. Hold on. Don't press too hard. You don't want to damage the case or your phone, but you do want to make sure that your phone is in there just like that. That is a tough kind of fit, so be careful with putting this on your device. But once you get the front housing on, then you want to come here and put the back housing on just like so. And I'm going to show you what I'm talking about with the ring cutout that I do not like here in a minute. Just want to make sure everything is in the grooves. If it's not, you need to redo it over. Take your time. But this is what it's going to look like once you get the case installed on your device. This looks nice. You know, you do not have to worry about dropping this phone, because no matter how much you drop it and flop it, it's gonna still be protected, because this is like an outer box style case. So you get protection on the front, because this also has like a built-in like screen protector, and then you get protection on the back because these are 2-part cases. So with this case, you're not going to be able to use your original fingerprint. You need to probably reinstall it, but sometimes reinstalling it may not work, because I feel like even if I reinstall my fingerprint scanner, I feel like it's still not going to work, because this is plastic sitting on top of tempered glass. So I'm sure that tempered glass screen protector is interfering with the screen. But I typically tear the flimsy film off anyway, since I already have my own tempered glass screen protector, because this circle cutout, that just bothers me. And when I go to my device, unlock my device, I can still see that ring sitting right there, and that just bothers me to no end. So if that's something that's going to bother you like me, I would not recommend you get this case. Or if you do plan on getting this case, I do recommend you throw on a tempered glass screen protector, but I do recommend you also peel this film one off in the inside, because all it is just the plastic film holding the case around the edges, so it's like it's a screen protector, but it's nothing heavy duty. But over here you do get some nice grip, so no problem. Look at all those ridges, so you do not have to worry about this slipping out of your phone at all. It does add a little bulk, not too much bulk, but it's people out there that work in tough environments and they just want to make sure their phone is super protected. So this is the kind of case I would recommend to you. You do get your power volume up and down button. Those are nice and clicky. I don't know if you can hear that. Your power button is nice and clicky. Coming down here to the bottom, you do get access for a lanyard if you're into that kind of thing. Then you also get a flap for your USB Type-C cable. That way dust, dirt, and grime won't get in there. You get a nice cutout for your S Pen. No problem. I don't have nails and I was able to get in there and get the S Pen out just like that. Coming over here, you do get access for grip protection. I call these feet, so if your phone hits flat down on the corner, you will have nothing to worry about because you have these feet edge protections. Turn it over to the back, you do get a MagSafe capable ring, and you also get a camera door that also doubles as your kickstand for watching YouTube videos, so on and so on. So you have nothing to worry about there. And I love when they do this kind of thing because this gives you a choice of having your cameras exposed, or you can just close it whenever you want to, and you don't have to worry about dust, dirt, or grime getting in your screen. It looks like it has a little carbon fiber kind of material. I know it's not carbon fiber, but it looks like it. It says Armorbox. It looks very nice, very sleek. Like I said, with this kind of case, you do not have to worry about this breaking or shattering because it is good to go. I do not have a wireless charger on my a MagSafe wireless charger on my desk at the moment, but we will just test out how strong the magnet is, and that is pretty strong. I can shake this and do whatever I really want to do with this, and this is not going anywhere at all. So that is a nice look. And IBlason does make nice sturdy cases. I'm just not a fan of the inner film screen protector. That's it. But other than that, this is a nice looking and feeling case. I hope you found this video helpful, and I will make sure I drop a link in the description. I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.